Hi friends, the intention of this particular video is to introduce to you guys a very useful feature, and this particular feature is used as a power saving tool as well as for increasing the life of the TV. And the feature is called screen off, and I think this is a very miscellaneous feature because I haven't it seen in most of the TVs this particular feature, but it's a very useful feature. What happens is for LED TVs, as you know, the life of the TV depends on how many number of hours the TV was. I mean, the panel was switched on. So, for example, if you there are scenarios where you don't want the panel to be, I mean, the display to be on, whereas you want the sound output or you want to pass through certain sound to the home theater from your media player or something, or you would like to use the TV's media player for listening to music, but you don't want the display during that time, right? So you don't want to increase your power consumption during that time. So for that, as you could see here, this is a very particular feature inside the picture settings of the TV. If you're going, there is an energy saving option, and usually the energy saving when it comes to this particular TV, there are different settings like minimum, medium, maximum, and below that there is an option called screen off. Screen off is a particular option that can be used. I will show you now. This while clicking on this, actually what happens is only the screen of the TV will go off, whereas the audio as well other functionalities will be available. So after yes, now the TV went off. So what happens is the TV will be off as far you are not pressing any buttons or you are not moving the magic remote or something. So while I move or press the button, likewise as you could see, it came back on all on an instant. So the time delay is very less. You could use as a switching feature or something. So while you're listening to music or while you don't want the display to be on for a certain time, for example, you are leaving the premises of the TV for a 5 or 6 seconds, but you don't want the TV to be switched on during that time, means you just go to picture settings of the TV, just make use of this feature. Similar to that, I will show you using Smart Share. uh, in Smart Share, as you know, this is a media share platform for LG's WebOS, and in this there is an option called, there's a media player for music also. So normally people won't make use of this feature because even I didn't make use of this feature, saying that I can't switch on the TV all the time, right? So later on I found out that this option is there to switch off the screen. So what happens is you just play the music you would like to play and just switch off the screen, or you create a playlist. There is an option to create the playlist also. So if you're having a playlist inside your pen drive or something, just create that. I'll show you now. Yes, that's it. So that will be kept that will be kept in the off condition for a certain time that you define. Not there is nothing like there's a timer or something, but until and unless you are not pressing any buttons on the remote or you are not making any movements in the remote, it won't come on. So that's I think this is a very useful feature and people should use this feature. I think I would certainly recommend using this, because what happens is this increases the life of the TV as well. It reduces the power consumption very much. So I think this is a useful feature. So that's it. I am not making it lengthy. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this time too. So there is something more coming. Stay tuned.